Today I'm going to unbox and review Realme Buds Q True Wireless Earbuds. Welcome to my channel, this is Ashutosh Nirmal, and if you are here first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when new video is uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. Like most Realme products, we have a yellow box. Here are the specifications. It's priced at $24.99 but it's available for $19.99. Let's unbox it. First, there's a quick start guide. USB to micro USB charging cable, 2 pairs of extra ear tips, and here's the buds case. This case is totally made of plastic. The case comes in this pebble or cobble design. It's quite small, less than 2.5 inches in width, bit more than 1 inch in thickness. Corners are curved to make it easy to grip and pocketable. It's quite light in weight, around 36 grams with buds. It comes in this beautiful quite black color with a matte finish and Realme logo on top. Besides this, there are quite yellow and quite white colors also available. Here are the micro USB slot for charging and a light indicator that lights up red during charging and turns up green when fully charged. It opens up quite easily and closing the lid gives a satisfying sound. Here are the buds. They made up of polycarbonate plastic but their build quality is very good for the price. They are very lightweight. Here's the capacitive touch button with the Realme logo to control the functions. Here are magnetic points for the charging, and I don't know if you can see, but there is a tiny left-right symbol. Ear tips are angled to provide a better fit. It fits into your ear quite good. Just put it in like this and rotate a little bit to get the better fit. Ear tips fit into your ear perfectly and won't fall off even if you are running or in the gym, as there are 2 more ear tip sizes available, so you can choose it according to your comfort. It also features IPX4 water resistance to prevent it from sweat or rain. So build quality wise, these earbuds are very good in this price range. When you take it out of the case, they will start automatically and connect the last pair device. You can double tap to play or pause the music. Triple tap to go to the next track. You can change these actions by the Realme Link app. Here you can see the remaining battery on both buds separately. Here you can customize the actions according to your comfort. Like I changed triple tap on the left for previous track, on the right for next track. You can even go into the game mode with this toggle. This customization is offering by Realme, not available in competition in this price range. Realme claims to get 4.5 hours of battery backup in a single charge, and surprisingly it actually gives you 4.5 hours of battery backup in a single charge at full volume. With the case you can get the 19 hours of backup, which is very good for the price. This case can be fully charged in 2 hours with this micro USB slot. If you want to compare this to Redmi S, they'll give you only 12 hours of battery backup. Quality of these earbuds not the best in this price, but it's good. Sound is clear on both sides, but its mic just felt average. It works well in home environment but not the best in noisy outdoor conditions. Now we come to the main part, that is sound quality. These earbuds comes with 10mm dynamic driver. Earbuds support AC HD audio codec with a dynamic bass booster solution. The sound is clear and loud enough. These earbuds produces very good punchy bass that most people like, but the bass never overshadowed vocals. Vocals are clear and you can easily hear the dialogues or the lyrics very clearly even with the high bass. Then there's the gaming mode, which you can get by pressing both buds at the same time for 5 seconds. Or you can use the toggle in the app. Gaming mode reduces the latency to 119 milliseconds, resulting in perfectly synced audio and visuals while you're watching movies or playing games. One thing I like that when you switch to gaming mode, it gives you sound notification of engine starting. To get off the gaming mode, this time you'll get a sweet sound as a notification. I played COD and I can say that footsteps and gunshots are quite accurate. The audio was always in sync with the game and there are no delays at all. So if you want to buy good quality true wireless earbuds and want to have full wireless experience with good battery backup, good sound quality and perfect fitting and synced game mode under 2000 rupees, you can definitely go for this one. In this budget, these are very good true wireless earbuds. Actually, it's better than Redmi S. If you want to buy this, I'll leave the best buy link in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.